So if you're looking to buy a used car, in addition to making sure the title's good and all the paperwork's good, you also want to make sure the condition of the vehicle is good. Here's a great way to do that. This is Lemon Squad. They're a nationwide company that does inspections on vehicles, and they are able to look at cars almost everywhere. It's pretty reasonable too. If you look at it, they charge between, you know, 220 to 300, maybe 286 for a car, and it's not too bad to have an inspection on a vehicle. You can also add on a consultation for $50. You will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. On the phone, you can do a Carfax for $35. So if you're looking to buy a used car, this is a great way to make sure that what you're buying is not going to break down on you, and that you have a professional inspect it to make sure it's all good. So I would recommend looking at this as an option, or really any legitimate inspection company, but this is one that's all they do. They're not like a garage that fixes stuff. They are a company that specializes in inspection. So Lemon Squad, something we're not associated with them. We don't get paid by them. We're not affiliated with them or sponsored by them. But they are a company that might be helpful to some of our clients looking at buying a used vehicle. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can access live one-on-one personal consultations with a licensed private investigator, a licensed commercial insurance broker, licensed certified real estate title examiner, also a certified civil court mediator. So if you have a need to talk to an expert in any of these fields, or even a licensed building general contractor, you can click the link below, actualhuman.com, and arrange a live one-on-one undivided attention with a licensed expert where you can ask any questions, get information about your situation, and we'd be glad to help.